Immediately you click on the link in the description section of this video, you are going to be taken to this interface, and as you can see on the screen, it says get paid $150 per offer working from home on this website. And as a matter of fact, this website has an application form which is available on the Google Play Store for Android users, and it is also available on the App Store for iPhone users. So all you need to do to start making money from this website is to locate the register on paid work button. Before I dive into the full tutorial, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Samuel, and on this channel I make videos about making money online. So if this is what interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. Also, do well to like this video as you are watching. So once you click on register on paid work, you are going to be taken to this interface where you are going to be creating an account for yourself. So all you need to do is to input your email address, then you're going to input your password, and you are going to click on continue. You can also create accounts by signing up with Google or by signing up with Apple. So immediately you create account for yourself, this is how your interface is going to look like. So to start earning with this website, you just need to come over to this earn button and you are going to click on it. And once you click on that, you are going to be taken to another interface where you are going to be seeing several ways you can basically earn with this website. So as you can see on the screen, you can basically choose the method of earning you want. 1000 points here equals to $1. So you can basically earn by playing game, you can earn by filling out surveys, you can earn by watching videos, you can earn through micro tasks, you can earn through online shopping, you can earn through scan receipt. So you can basically choose any of this method you want to start using to earn with this website. So let's say you want to earn by watching video, you just need to click on that blue earn button and you're going to be taken to another interface where you're going to be seeing some instruction and the website where you need to watch the video. So what you need to do is to click on the blue watch button and you're going to be taken to another interface where you're going to be opportune to watch the videos on this website. So right now, to start earning on this website, as you can see, you need to download the application as I've said earlier. So to view the task here, make sure you have downloaded the paid work app directly from the Google Play or App Store. So you need to download the application before you start using it or before you start using the website to earn for yourself. That's what they basically mean here. So apart from performing tasks to earn on this website, another best way to earn is through referral program. Once you click on the referral program, you are going to be seeing your referral link showing up as you can see on the screen right now. So you just need to copy that referral link and start sharing it to your friend. And once they use that link to create account, and once they earn up to $10 and they withdraw, you both are going to get $10 for yourself. You are going to get the $10 and you also are going to get extra $10 for yourself. So that's how this referral program actually works on this website. So the next thing is how to withdraw from this website. So to withdraw from this website, all you need to do is to click on these billings as you can see on the screen right now, and you are going to be taken to another interface where you're going to be seeing your earned money. So the minimum withdrawal from this website is just $5 as you can see from the screen right now. So once you get to $500, all you need to do is to click on the withdraw. But in order to start withdrawing, or in order to withdraw, you need to click on add payment method. You need to click on add payment method to add the payment method you want to use to withdraw from this website. You can either use PayPal or bank account. So that's just the two methods available on this website. You can use PayPal to withdraw and you can use bank account number to withdraw from this website. I think that bank account number is going to be the easiest method to withdraw from this website. All you need to do is to input your bank account number, then you put in your first and last assigned to the bank account number, which is the first and last name. Then you put a name of bank, put the BIC code of the bank. Then you're going to check this blue box that says I hereby confirm that the provided details of the above bank account are real and that I am its sole owner. And you're going to click on add method. So once you click on add method, the payment method is going to be added on this website. So once it is added and you've reached the minimum withdrawal, you just have to click on withdraw to withdraw your money from this website. So to do some changes to your account, all you need to do is to click on these settings at the bottom of the screen right now. So once you click on that, you'll be taken to another interface. We are going to be changing some things. We are going to be making settings to your account. So we have the general setting, we have the account setting, we have the user data setting, payment receiver, notification settings, security settings, support inbox. So these are the settings you can basically do on this website. Thank you for watching this video right from the beginning to the very end. If you have any question about this website, let me know in the comment section below and I will not hesitate to reply your comment. And if you have gained value from this video, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. I'm going to see you in my next video. Keep winning. Bye for me, guys. Peace.